Storm Chasers Unlimited Vlog Documentary Season 2, Part 16, Water Pool.
No.
What are we doing, Braden? Braden, what are we doing?
What?
What are we doing?
Is this episode 16?
Yeah.
This is Storm Chasers Vlog Unlimited episode!
No, Mitch already did that.
What?
What are we doing? Mitch already did that.
Oh, well, what are we doing right now?
We're in a hotel pool.
Hotel, motel, holiday! Camera guy, you follow me? So, when those people leave, we're gonna do a bit, and you guys are gonna enjoy it, okay? Okay.
Oh, water keeps shooting at me.
Rule number 6. Go show them the room.
I can zoom. No, I can see it.
I broke rule number 7.
Number 7. Do not use the pool if you are ill. Diarrhea. Diarrhea. This is our group. Joseph.
Got anything to say?
Hi, Joseph.
You see Kelsey? I heard she was born naked, that slut.
What?
And she's naked under those clothes.
No way. That Kelsey right there. See her? See that retarded girl?
We're being overrun by small children and adults. So we'll come back to you later when we're probably watching the videos.
Yeah.
Got a little water on the camera. Oh, now you fogged it up! You
I did. It's all foggy.
Bye!
Want to say bye? Okay.
And she goes,
Wow,
that's my
dude.
TikTok. Nice.
That is special.
Data, bitch.
Honey, it's your turn. Go.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah. You taping it, Johnny?
This is what I call the drunk man. Drunk man handstand.
I just had a...
We go get ice cream.
Ice cream.
One out, elbows went out, shoulder hurt.
I just want ice cream.
There's no grass, otherwise I'd do a headstand.
Why are you wearing my glasses? Because we're gators. But you have cat glasses on.
Those are awesome. Don't let anybody
We never
say
did an intro for this.
I know, I just started filming.
This is an extra.
It is an extra.
This is an extra. For what part though?
16.5.
16.5?
See, the shirt works better on your head than
Yeah, the
that.
tan ones,
Okay.
these are definitely better.
Okie dokie.
Did I tell you about that?
They're in the room though.
Braden tied this black
Oh,
shirt
yeah,
over his
yeah,
head.
yeah.
Yep.
He's
Had on her glasses. What that look says about you?
Is that mine? Oh.
You're not smoking your feet.
my shirt turned a different color.
That's correct.
You want to see a video, hey, say? Oh, swag.
Swaggy.
How you doing, handstand?
Do it.
Are you playing with Uncle nipple? That's weird. That was really weird. That's not weird. Just like that's not weird. He's my uncle.
Yeah, it's not like
Yeah. Let's get one of both of us.
At the same time?
Yeah. But we should walk.
I didn't get a video.
Hold that
Walk,
too.
you wanna walk
Yeah,
down
he
the
was
road?
actually.
No, I'd rather walk uphill. It's more safe uphill.
Or safer.
A lot of stuff on it.
More
They're like,
safe.
hey, you gonna
Wait, I had a bad start. Hold on.
Yeah.
Walk down. Maybe just walk that way. It's flat. Watch out.
That's pretty cool,
Oh,
dude.
bitch.
He's going over! He's going over!
Bitch.
Hey, Brian.
Did I do it?
Get it, don't take nothing.
Did you do the creepy
It don't take shit from nobody.
kid run? Yeah.
Yeah.
Those are fun.
That one?
Do what?
previewing.
Oh, wow.
That hip power.
You guys are like athletes. If I did that, I'd pull something that I might need later. Well done. Privacy is the future of our country. Let it go! Let it go!
Or put it in the back of my car.
You could probably take a window out with that.
I've shared that.
I don't know, but mine's 12 pounds.
Well, Mitch asked me because one Brady throwing the hammer. I'm like 122, eh? Yeah, you.
I've done it one day.
Well, Braden did it one day before state. 2 days.
2 days.
With a girl's hammer.
Yeah.
That's what he was practicing.
How the inside of my mouth look?
Okay, bye. Turn it off now.
Okay,
Bye. Bye.